Hello all, welcome to Maira Property. Today we are seeing India's first 3D house and Pune's first 3D printed ground plus one villa. So how it will be constructed, and for more information watch this video till the end. So this villa constructed using additive manufacturing techniques demonstrate the potential of 3D printing in home construction. The project, which commenced in June 24, was successfully completed in just 4 months, underscoring the speed and efficiency of 3D printing in construction. By employing computer-generated designs, the structure was built layer by layer with specialized materials, significantly reducing construction time, material waste, and labor cost. While ensuring precision and durability, the architectural innovation blend with modern aesthetics with sustainable design, introducing elements that redefine contemporary living spaces. This 3D printed villa is organic and fluid form, shaped using advanced algorithms, enhance both structural integrity and visual appeals. A striking architectural feature that maximizes natural light, reduces energy consumption, and creates an expansive open feel. Replacing conventional straight staircase, this sculptural elements adds an artistic and dynamic touch to the home's interior. Inspired by nature, villa's flowing lines seamlessly integrated with the surrounding, fostering a scene of harmony and well-being. A signature of 3D printing architecture, the layered extreme pattern showcase the precision of technology, lending the structure a unique and futuristic aesthetics. This achievement sets the stage of wider adoption of 3D printing in Indian real estate, paving the way of smarter, more sustainable cities. By integrating advanced design principles with environmentally conscious construction, it redefines modern living and shape of the future housing in India. A notable feature of this technology, it is capacity to incorporate recycled materials from various industries, thereby minimizing environmental impact. The 3D printed walls are designed to enhance insulation, leading to lower energy consumption and utility cost, underscoring the project's commitment and sustainability. So this is all information about India's first 3D printed G+1 villa. It's developed by Godrej Properties located in Pune. So if you like this informative video, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. The channel name is Maira Property, and for new launch of in Pune projects and ready to move properties in Pune, you can see other videos in this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video. Thanks.